Have you ever completed a project and wondered why the profit wasn't what you expected? The estimate looked good. The work was completed. The customer was happy. But somehow, the numbers didn't add up. In many cases, the problem isn't the job itself. It's the way the costs were recorded. One of the biggest job costing mistakes contractors make is inconsistent cost coding. A material purchase gets assigned to the wrong category. Equipment costs are recorded as overhead. Labor hours end up on the wrong project. Or subcontractor invoices are entered incorrectly. Each mistake may seem small, but when those same errors happen over and over again, they quietly distort your job cost reports and hide the true profitability of your projects. The impact goes far beyond bookkeeping. When job costs aren't accurate, project managers struggle to monitor budgets. Business owners lose confidence in their financial reports. And estimators unknowingly use inaccurate historical data to prepare future bids. That means today's coding mistakes can become tomorrow's estimating mistakes. The good news is that improving job costing doesn't require complicated software. It starts with consistent processes. Create standardized cost codes. Train everyone involved in entering project costs. Review labor allocations every week. And make it a habit to review your job cost reports regularly, instead of waiting until the project is complete. Accurate cost coding creates accurate job costing. Accurate job costing creates reliable financial reports. And reliable reports help you make better decisions about pricing, staffing, scheduling, and profitability. Here's a challenge for this week. Take one recently completed project and compare the costs against the original estimate. Ask yourself, were labor hours assigned correctly? Were materials and equipment coded correctly? Did every subcontractor cost get posted to the right project? Small improvements today can prevent expensive mistakes tomorrow. Remember this week's takeaway. One coding mistake may seem small, but repeated hundreds of times, it quietly destroys profit visibility.